Hello, Matt here. Today, since we are basically done with this car, and yeah, I'm basically done with the white car for now, both cars for now, we're switching over to this, and it's bad. Finally time to start with this car, and yeah, we already started disassembling it. Actually, we just wanted to change the front right fender, and yeah, here's the thing. I don't have anything to attach the fender to because this car is, well, it's basically beyond saving. At this point, any reasonable man would give up. I mean, you can see down there, the anti-roll bar is not even being held. It's been ripped off because it's all rusted out. It's a good thing we are not reasonable. Plan for today: take everything apart, complete interior, everything gone, most of the exterior, and then we'll see the situation and what we need to do. Also, at one point the plan was to use the underpinnings of this car, which would have been nice. Just like got it here, use the rear end, leave the tunnel, so that would make things very easy to swap the N13 into, and it would allow me to build a car with a lot better rear end grip. That would mean I'm losing the fun factor of this car, which is rear trailing arms like an E30. But hey, it seemed like a reasonable plan because the floors are rusted out and I'm getting the suspension upgrade. Unfortunately, as you remember, well, yeah, X-drive, we had to cut the gigantic hole in it, so that's unusable. But I'm still keeping it here because I will use it for spare metal for this car, because I'll need a lot of spare metal. As I said, for now, let's take everything apart and check out the situation. One interior out of the car. It's rusty as hell. It's rusty inside here, but hey, let's take it all apart and then start to disassemble the outside. Rust. That's good bit. And we have rust. Also over there. In general, the floors do look kind of okay. I have to check it from the downstairs, but yeah, I don't know. I knew it was bad, but it's bad. Yeah, that's really bad. We have a lot of work cut out in front of us. Or to be exact, we have a lot of rust to cut out in front of us. This car is a gift that just keeps on giving. And by that I mean going from bad to worse, because look at this. That was a dodgy repair, that was. And that's a lot of rust. I would even say this car is beyond saving, to be honest. But then again, we are going to save it. I mean, this is bad. You can see I actually removed the side skirt. I mean, everything just popped out because it's too rusty. It didn't even hold it in place. I don't know how it was staying on, but hey. A bunch of shit to be done here. But the floors are actually not that bad. It's just these parts. And yeah, we'll be getting it on its side, cutting all this out and building a new one. Now as for the rocker panels, I couldn't get the ones for the compact version, but I did get one for the 4-door, so I will be cutting them down here under that edge. I mean, I'll tell you all about that in the next video. Let's get cracking with disassembling this car, because that's the main idea of this episode. Get it into bits and pieces. Literally. So here's a fun little project within a project. Now, while I won't be reusing most of this under, I do need the frame and the lower part. And this is honestly beyond saving. But we will try and save it. So yeah, first off, let's grind everything off from here, cut all the rusty pieces out and see what we can do then. Here we have it. Need to clean it a bit more from the inside, remove this and color it all in rust converter, and then we'll make a new sheet metal piece. Piece of shit metal. Piece of shit metal. That's a good name. Piece of shit metal. Well, we'll grab a piece of sheet metal and make the roll part. Yeah, getting there. Silly me, I didn't film how this looked before. You saw it scratched, and it was Bondo Express time. There was a bunch of Bondo here. You can still see some of it here, but okay, here it's straight. And well, this is as straight as I can get it. Some would say this is the limit of my abilities, but I'm happy with it. Yeah. Now makes sense. Now let's go on with dealing with the rust. Also, almost no rust here anymore. But hey, as I said, let's get on with dealing with the rust. So cut this off. Makes it easier to access this where I need to clean it a bit more. And now we have a template of a piece that we need to make. So let's go on with it. Here we have a usable piece of steel, so I'll just translate this template around here, cut that off. It won't have this reinforcement, or it might have. depends on how much time I'm willing to spend. But hey, this is a healthy piece of steel. Let's cut it out, and yeah, let's try and build something. Yeah. So what do we have here? It's not perfect, but better than straight. And now all we need to do is weld all this inside here. And we have one working fender. Also, as you can see, I left this because on the original one we have this, there's a hole somewhere here on which you clip the fender guard. But okay, let me show you on the other side fender. This now. So basically this is mirrored. Oh shit, I didn't account for this kink here. Oh shit. Oh, there's a kink here. Okay, but we will just transplant it over there, and that should be it, like this. Snitches get stitches. Now a bit of angle grinder work, and it will look like someone professional welded it. Maybe. I hope so. Let's do it! And this is it for today. So yeah, this will work. So where's the reason why we didn't buy the new fender? Well, as I said, pretty soon in the next video you'll see it and everything will make sense then. Oh, there's a little hump here still. Oh, we'll just beat it out now, and as I said, for today, that's it.